find it.
I find the barrel.
Oh, it's over here.
Recipe. So when I say recipe, I have a special container recipe, but it's the same one that's on the instructions, and we'll show you that when we pull open the boxes. They give you an instruction. But the mix that I use.
Let me come over there because they're not seeing you.
Oh.
It is literally following me, honey.
It is following you.
It is.
That thing is so smart.
So cool.
Wow, look how smart that is. Okay, I need that for mine. Okay, so we're going to talk about that afterwards.
Okay.
All right, because that's pretty cool.
That is amazing.
That's AI, like, on top of it here. I like that. All right, so I said, well, follow the instructions, but it's pretty much the same instructions. So it's 70% peat, 20% vermiculite, 10% perlite, and then 2 cups of dolomite for the containers, and then 3 cups of organic fertilizer. And this is how I do 70%. So with these containers I just got, here, I'll show you. I use 7 of these, then I'll do 2 of these of vermiculite, and then 1 of these of perlite, mix it all together in 1 big cup container, and then I just fill up my containers. I make it nice and simple, nothing hard, nothing extravagant, but 70, 20, 10, even if you use a little container. 70, 20, 10. No matter what container, that's going to be the formula used every single time.